Welcome to 6570 Kings Grant Way. 3.25 acres, a 42 by 24 two-story workshop/detached garage, a 16 by 24 two-story workshop, and an in-ground pool completes this 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths, one-of-a-kind home. It has a vaulted ceiling with a floor-to-ceiling brick fireplace in the great room. The foyer and kitchen have ceramic tile floors, hardwood floors are in the dining and breakfast room, and the rest of the house has new carpet. The master bedroom has a private bath and walk-in closet. The 4th bedroom with full bath and large family room are both 3 steps up from the kitchen. The kitchen has a pantry, desk, and appliances that remain. The breakfast room has a bay window facing the pool. The utility room has a sink and closet. There are 2 decks, a swing set, in-ground pool, and fence area. The 2-car garage is attached to the home. The large shop is a dream. There is a basement 19 by 10 storage, close to shore. This home has a 42 by 24 two-story workshop/detached garage, and a 16 by 24 two-story workshop. The front porch measures 25.4 inches by 5.4 inches. The foyer has ceramic tile floors, and measures 14.6 inches by 6.5 inches. The dining room has hardwood floors and measures 14.11 inches by 10.10 inches. The great room has carpet, a wood insert fireplace, a vaulted ceiling and ceiling fan, and measures 18.9 inches by 18.5 inches. The eat-in area of the kitchen has hardwood floors, a bay window, a ceiling fan, and measures 12.7 inches by 9.8 inches. This view of the eat-in and kitchen is from the dining room. The kitchen has ceramic tile floors, appliances that remain, and measures 16.1 inch by 10.2 inches. The kitchen also has a built-in desk area. The utility room is located off the kitchen. This view of the dining room is from the kitchen. The hall to the bedrooms is located off the foyer. The master bedroom has carpet, a ceiling fan, a private bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 15.11 inches by 13.5 inches. The master bath has a separate room for the shower and toilet, located through the door on the left. The walk-in closet is located through the door on the right. It measures 12.3 inches by 5.10 inches.